Okay, I have the Magic Mouse. I just purchased the Magic Mouse. We're gonna try it out. My new MacBook. You can check out the book or me opening up the MacBook right here. But let's check out the Magic Mouse. So let's try and open this. Okay, there we go. Got a little open. Sorry, my hands are ashy. If anybody wants to sponsor this video, you can. So we got the Magic Mouse right there. Magic Mouse. All right. Oh, okay. Well, there. I mean, it's right there. Pretty simple. To the point. So there's a Magic Mouse. There's some instructions here. Magic Mouse. All right, on off switch. So welcome to your Magic Mouse. Magic Mouse. So there's an on off switch there. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it. All right, so there's an on switch right here. So you can see there's a sensor. There's an on off switch right there. I got my lips all in. On off switch right there. And then this is where you put your cord, which is in the box. All right. So let's turn it on. It is on. So when it's on, you see that green thing there. Everybody see that green? There it is. So it is on, and we are gonna figure out what to do next. To pair your mouse with your Mac, use the USB-C to Lightning cable that came with your mouse. Plug the lightning in into the lightning port on the bottom of your mouse. Plug the USB-C in to the USB-C port on your Mac. Slide the on-off switch to go on. Oh, well, I'm supposed to turn it off. Oops. So, should have read that first. All right, so we're gonna take this off. This is the lightning side. And this is the USB-C side right there. So I'm gonna put that there, into the Mac, into the Magic Mouse, and we're gonna turn it on. It says that it automatically, oh, there it is. Y'all see that? Allow accessory to connect. So we're gonna press allow. All right, now do I take next step? Your mouse will pair out after the mouse is paired. Disconnect the cable to use your mouse wirelessly. All right, so we're gonna disconnect cable. It says connected there, and then it's off. So now we're gonna try. I have a Canva, simple Canva deal here. It's really nice. I like the smooth. A lot of people were talking about their wrist hurting because of the mouse. I have big hands, so it really doesn't matter. My mouse, so you see there, that's my hand. So my wrist is always on the table. So I will pull my other mouse. So this is my other mouse, the Logitech. And it's very similar. My wrist is always like that. So that's why I purchased the Magic Mouse, because when I realized, I was like, wait, my hand is literally, yeah, it's raised, but as you can see, my wrist is still on the table, so I'm used to this. And with this, let me move this to the side. It's very similar. So that is why I purchased it, because I've always been putting my wrist on the table. And so anyway, so that's something that I deal with. All right, let's look at some of this functionality. Let me maybe zoom in here. So just on Canva, let's just make a quick graphic. All right, we're gonna drag this over here. I'm not a big mouse person, so I can't tell you like the drag and drop rate or whatever, or how fast it goes. I probably will figure out something to make it go faster. I know you can do like side swipes and all that stuff. I haven't figured that out. That's probably another, I'll be watching that video. So wherever that video is, let's go watch it together. Let's try to do one thing. But so far, it's working very well for me. And yeah, I like it. Nice little design. Let's see what we got here. So, boom. Yep. Let's see what happens when you double click. Okay, so just like anything. All right, perfect. Let me see what happens when you right click. Well, right click doesn't work on Apples anyway. But anyway, there it is. There's the magic mouse. It is it is going. I like it. They say you have to charge it. You can't use it while it's charging, so I'll charge it at night. But hand size, like I said, I just got a big hand. So I could definitely take it with me when I'm traveling. Something new. Once again, thank you for watching this video. It was just an unboxing, really. I'm not gonna get into all the other stuff because I do not know what I'm doing, and I will figure all this other stuff out later. But I'm excited to dive in because I've seen some videos about this and that and that and this. But yeah, so that is the Magic Mouse. Your mouse is wirelessly. So right here it says your mouse is wirelessly, connected to the Mac. Let's try something before we leave. Let's see how this thing. Oh, okay. So, hold on. I know I've seen people do the double. Oh, there it is. I did it. I don't know how to do it. Keep it still. Oh, there it is. The horizontal. It's gonna be my fingers are so big. Let's see. Let me do it. Can I do it in my app? Oh, I got messages up. All right. I will see y'all. Y'all have a good one. And that's that.